What is up, guys? I'm back here again with another one, and in this video I'm going to be talking about Trek Hop Index. So it's been a while that I posted video on the channel, but it's because I've not really been active for a while in the market, but at the same time I've not really seen much opportunities to take the market in that aligns with my strategy. But now I'm seeing something amazing on Trek Hop Index, so I'm going to be analyzing this and giving us probable levels or zones or setup that we are going to be seeing in order to take a trade from this Trek Hop Index. So basically I'm just going to go into my higher time frame, which is the monthly time frame, and as you can see, we can see that this month, which is December, as at this time I'm recording this video, the market is in a bullish engulfing candle on a monthly time frame at the moment, even though we still have like 11 days left for this month to end. So in my mind, I should be thinking of buying scenarios, not selling scenarios. But I have my reasons why I should be thinking of selling. So that's the reason why I'm going to be going to my weekly time frame. And as you can see on this weekly time frame, actually, we are seeing something amazing right here. And the amazing thing that I am seeing at the moment on this weekly time frame is that we are at a supply and demand zone at the moment. This supply and demand zone that we are at the moment, we are seeing a form or a kind of rejection there. And whenever we approach a zone, whether it's supply and demand zone, what we should expect is that it's either it holds or it breaks. Now on a daily time frame, we can see that the last one, which was our demand supply zone, our demand zone initially, it was broken, and it now serves as our demand zone now, but it has moved to a supply zone now. So for us to confirm that this zone is a supply zone, we should see a rejection and price coming back down to that demand zone. But how do we do this? Well, on this zone that we are on a daily time frame right now, you can see that this market has gotten to the initial demand zone before, which is now a supply zone now for us. So what should we expect if we want to take a trade from here? All we have to do is just draw our counter trend, as you have seen that I have done on my 30 minutes time frame. So I have drawn this counter trend line, and what I am expecting is that once this counter trend line is broken with a candlestick confirmation, and after the breaking of this counter trend line with a candlestick confirmation, I'm going to enter this trade to sell this market. But however, let's say that scenario did not play out for this instrument. What can I use as another entry strategy or entry setup? All I have to do is just, once we have a break of the counter trend line, I wait for the price to go back to the last resistance or support zone. So once I get that, that is what I'm going to use in order to enter this market. So if I see a rejection from there, then I'm going to sell the market from there. But however, if I do not see it and the market rally back up to the upside, then I'm going to watch this market to move to the upside to continue buying. But that's, however, what I'm seeing on Trek Hop Index. So that's just basically it. So if I sell, let's say I have my sell setup and I take my sell trade, my TP definitely is going to be at the next zone, which is around 9,880. That is the next price that I am expecting this market to sell to. So, and I'm going to be risking just a little bit of my account to make much of that. So that's just basically what I have for you. This is a very short video, and there isn't much analysis that I did here. So but I know that some people do understand what I've done. But in case you do not understand, well, I have some videos that you can watch in order to understand the concept that I have talked about. However, if you think you need more assistance in order to learn and know how I approach the market, you can feel free to email me in the email that is provided in my about in the channel, so that you can learn more about how to trade the market and how to make profits from the market. So that's just basically what I have for you guys. Kindly share if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel so that it can help this channel to grow up. Peace out.